Hi guys! So this is the birthday cake that I made for my husband's birthday because it's his birthday today, and every year it's a tradition, whereas he wants a plain chocolate cake. He doesn't want anything, but it's just a plain chocolate, guys, because that's his favorite flavor.
It's yellow cake with chocolate.
Yeah, it's a yellow cake and chocolate frosting. So I made this yesterday and it's his birthday today. So I will going to ask him to blow these candles and sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to me. I'm 3 years old, Bernie. Happy birthday to me.
Okay, make a wish first. Make a wish.
It's going to take me a while. How long is the candles going to be before they burn? Okay. There you go.
Okay, happy birthday.
Thank you. Okay, happy birthday
Okay.
to me.
Get it? Let's have some birthday cake, guys, with a cup of milk.